Hey everybody, welcome to the breaking news today. We're going to be reading People Buying Bikes. Many people are buying bikes now. People stayed inside because of the coronavirus. They stayed inside for months. Now they want to go outside. Many people want to ride bikes. Some people do not want to ride buses. They want to ride bikes instead. Some people want to ride bikes for exercise. Bike shops do not have bikes now. Some shops will not have bikes for weeks. So before we do our questions, let's just do a short review of what we just read. So we're basically saying that lots of people are buying bikes now because they're staying inside because you can't really go out because of the coronavirus. And it's been months. You probably know we've been home for a long time, feels like a very long time. And people want to go outside. So they want to ride bikes. And they might not want to take the bus, so they take their bikes instead to exercise, go to different places. But the problem is that so many people want to buy bikes that some bike shops don't have any. And it might take a while, weeks, for bikes to be at the bike shops. Let's answer our questions. Number 1. What are people buying now? Are they buying spacecrafts, bikes, or ships? So let's answer that in a complete sentence. People are buying bikes now. Turn that up. People are buying bikes now. Number 2, where do people want to go now? Jail, outside, or landfill? Where do people want to go now? Jail, outside, landfill. So in a complete sentence, we'll say, people want to go people want to go outside now. Number 3, what will not have bikes for weeks? Shops, parks, or neighborhoods. So what will not have bikes for weeks? We will say shops. So bike shops
Shops
will not have bikes for weeks. Bye-bye.